Hello everyone, I was sent the Blue Heron by Force One. This is their 120 degree wide angle 720 HD Wi-Fi camera built in, and I'm telling you it is going to be amazing. Here are all the specs. Let's get into it. So in the beginning it took a few tries, but they were able to control it with a great control panel. I'm going to insert that control here so that you can see how to maneuver the Blue Heron. So here is the control panel here. As I said before, it is going to show you how to steer the Heron. It tells you, how to turn left, right, go up, go down, go backwards. It basically guides you and teaches you how to fly your Heron. And once you are, familiar with the knobs, you can remove this piece of paper here, but I will say I will definitely leave it there until you definitely know how to fly it on your own, just to guide you and help you along the way.